Hi guys, welcome to Wellsty channel. Today, Wellsty takes you to understand brushed aluminum. Brushed is a type of metal finishing. It gives a brushed or sandblasted appearance. The finish is achieved by mechanically moving an abrasive brush over the aluminum surface, along with providing a good appearance. It is also durable and scratch resistant. Its applications range from fabricated frames to car bumpers. Also used in many indoor and outdoor aluminum profiles. Brushed aluminum adds a sense of style, quality, and elegance, except it can also help to protect the surface from damage. The brushing process is divided into 3 different stages. Step 1. Pre-brushing stage. It is made sure that the dirt is fully cleaning. Wellsty also used sandpaper to get rid of any scratches. Stage 2. Brushing stage. In this stage, an abrasive brush is moved on the aluminum surface to form a brushed pattern. Stage 3. Post-brushing stage. Water clean any remaining dust from the brushing stage. Then dry the surface. It is done. Wellsty brushed aluminum has a maximum precision technique. Brush patterns can be made into straight lines, cross patterns, random patterns, threads, and other patterns according to the decoration needs. If you want to make sure your aluminum part has a perfect finish, contact us now. We will give you a good solution within 24 hours.